Okay, she's calling him. Whenever he's ready, let go. Yep. Come on. Yeah, that's looking good. Yeah. Got it. Sweet.
Light threatening, light ending for a bird like this. Now we've got
Colton. Good to meet you, Colton. So Colton has been over here helping us keep the gate clear, make sure nobody gets through. But he has volunteered to do something. Colton, you know what he volunteered to do? Hold a birdie fence. Yeah. You remember what Harry Falls like to eat? Rabbits, right? And you're going to be a rabbit for the next Christmas. When we catch the rabbit, all you have to do is let go of the string and come back to us, okay? Sound good? Alright, so everybody wish Colton good luck. Anybody who wants to say goodbye to you, this would be a great opportunity for you to do that. Are you ready? On your marks, get a set, good. Alright, here he comes. One pin ball. There's already a hawk on the way. Oh! A dead rabbit. Now you'll notice right away.